SHIBASWAP is just launched, and in this video I'm gonna go through the next step for the Shiba Inu team. Welcome back, it's Marco here, let's dive into it. Now, before we even get to the final projects and endgame of Shiba Inu coin, let's have a look at the latest news, because it's all tied together, it's all part of the same grand plan. So what really just happened, there's been a new listing on a new exchange. So for example, in this case it's called MAXC Global, and that's basically this exchange where you can deposit and withdraw now Shiba Inu coin, actually Bone, that's what they're doing. So first of all, it's the very first place when we can possibly trade Bone. This is absolutely insane, guys, because Bone, as you know, this is very important for the whole plan of the Shiba Inu, which I'm gonna unveil in just a second. And to be honest, we have more ways where the Shiba Inu community is trying to get up and running and actually increase their ranks. That's the master plan overall, but the way they're gonna achieve it, that's what I'm gonna reveal later in this video. If you, for example, look at Robinhood, which is another platform where Shiba Inu coin should be listed pretty soon, if you carry on like signing as we're doing, that's gonna be another way for the Shiba army to grow and becoming even stronger. But what I really wanted to show you is another bit of news before we actually look at the grand plan, which is in all one document. I'm gonna really show you in 1 second. But first, let's have a look at this bit of news, which is about this party. There is a virtual party for all Shiba Inu holders and whatever, and even if you're not a Shiba Inu holder, you can come and take part in it. And it's very good because it's another way to basically increase the number of Shiba Inu holders. This is all part of this grand plan, guys, and everything will fall into place when I'm gonna read the document later. But what's really good is that this way they're also gonna have an NFT party and a physical sculpture, do it as another way, maybe to raise capital, because obviously the whole project is taking up cash. But now, as I promised you, let's have a look at the end game. It's in one document that you should know by heart, but I don't think you do, so let's have a look at it together. Let's see what this is all about. Now, the next step for the Shiba army are actually hidden in the white paper, guys. Yes, that's now hidden inside SHIBASWAP. You can actually go and access it by just clicking on SHIBASWAP menu, and then you can get to this page. This is page 26 if you want to go and check for yourself. But basically the next thing is gonna be this roof map, which is, like I said, page 26, and it's a bit hidden, so let's go through it together. So overall, they say that the roadmap will remain top secret to ensure our continued advantage in this highly competitive space. But they are also gonna give us a basic overview, and this is basically what we are gonna have a look at. This will look like launching our incubator and upcoming NFT project. And something that I've done in the past was to actually tell us about this NFT incubator type of place, which is something that we're gonna have a look at in just 1 second. And if you enjoyed this video so far, smash the thumbs up button so that you help me with the YouTube algorithm, and let's carry on. So this is the Shiba Inu artist incubator from another interview. This is very interesting because obviously they release this kind of news separately. So this artist incubator is the proposed NFT project of the ecosystem. Now, the platform is inviting artists interested in grooming them and giving necessary NFT support to their work, which will be later displayed, sold, or auctioned through Shiba Inu's homegrown decentralized exchange, SHIBASWAP. And so the master plan seems to be, this is just one of the bits that we're gonna have a look at in this video. The master plan seems to be that SHIBASWAP is gonna be just one place where we're gonna store NFTs, and it's gonna be also the place, obviously, to exchange things and stake our coins. But the SHIBASWAP is gonna be our platform where we're gonna also have the NFT marketplace, which is very, very good, guys, because it's already out there, and we can only just amend SHIBASWAP to also pick up this NFT place, which will have to actually fight with Binance. And also there are other places with NFTs. But now let's carry on in this document that I was showing you, because this NFT marketplace is just the very first thing that probably some of you knew. And now we're gonna look at another thing, and this one is insane. And by the way, if you like this bit of news, is actually fresh from today, and I make new videos when any news comes out on Shiba Inu coin, because this is what this channel is about, and so that my subscribers are always up to date. So we're talking about releasing SHIBASWAP, Actually, let me say that again, SHIBASWAP, and even potentially actualizing real-world application that moves us beyond the digital landscape. Now, SHIBASWAP so far is more of a mystery. We don't know much about it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I think it's gonna be something big and probably something that has to do maybe with affiliate. I have a feeling that it's gonna be about that, and maybe a platform where you can play games and things like that, and maybe get money for completing the games, maybe ship coins, who knows, things like that. That's what I'm expecting. But the next phase, the next things that I'm gonna show you in the white paper is incredible, guy. Let's have a look at it right now. Now, the next thing is Treat. Now, through our official roadmap remains tightly guarded. So as I can say, they want to keep it secret, but we are happy to reveal our next token, guys. This is so big, and that would be called Shiba Treat. Now, Treat is another very special token, and that's something that they were actually talking about in another interview. First of all, it will be released after SHIBASWAP, obviously, because it's already out, but they also will have to update. They said that it's gonna be a coin that is pegged to the dollar, so like a stable coin type of thing, and that's gonna be the way we can actually pay, because at the moment Shib and Bone and Leash, they're not stable. Basically, they're not pegged to a specific currency, and they're not stable. And so basically, by having a coin that is pegged to, for example, the US dollar, that would make it so much better for obviously holding as cash in your wallet. And so that's the kind of things they're looking at. But in all of this, there is actually the last thing that I'm gonna show you in this video, and it's gonna be basically the way the Shiba Inu team will actually make most of their money, and that's through SHIBASWAP. But now let's have a look at exactly what they want to do with it. And this is gonna be so big for us because we want this project to succeed, right? And so that's what we're looking at. They will list new token pairs. So after the Shiba Inu liquidity event, we will spend the next few months adding pairs into SHIBASWAP. So basically the idea is to have a 500 plus pairs over the course of 2021 alone. Now, the very thing that probably you have to think is how they're gonna monetize this. Well, that's very easy. Well, when you basically pay for swapping one coin with another, you pay fees. And that's obviously money that will actually be given to the exchange. And in this case, it will be SHIBASWAP. And so that's how it's gonna be. And it's gonna be called, it's gonna be paired with the Doggy DAO. This is again from the document, a decentralized autonomous organization and bone governance token. And basically, this is just a way to have a truly decentralized ecosystem. Now, the Doggy DAO, again, it's another governance system that will be introduced later this year. And if you want to know more news on Shiba Inu coin, watch this video. The video on the screen right now are more news on Shiba Inu coin. So click on the video and I'll see you there.